All right, finally, we have some good news from Meta, and it has to do with this thing called Aggregated Event Measurement. I know it sounds complicated and it's a lot to say, but guess what? It doesn't matter anymore because they got rid of it. It was a headache for everybody. This is something they implemented post iOS 14 to deal with all the tracking issues they were having. I don't want to get into the details of it because it no longer exists. I just wanted to announce that Aggregated Event Measurement is no longer required to set up your ad accounts. One thing that you had to do whenever you did set it up is you had to prioritize 8 events. So the good news is the people who know what I'm talking about, you no longer have to set those events up. You're not limited to 8 events anymore, and you don't have to verify your domain. Those are huge. So whenever we were working with new accounts or setting a new account, it was a bit of a headache to go through the motions of setting all that up. And if you didn't set those up, there's a chance your ads didn't get delivered to people with iOS devices. So it was definitely something you wanted to have set up. And if you didn't, you run the risk of only being sent to Android devices. So it's all gone. We don't have to worry about it anymore. The only thing that I will say is, though, there are reasons to verify your domain. I highly suggest verifying the domain, just at the very least adding a layer of trust with Facebook and Meta. You don't need to unless you have certain circumstances. One of those circumstances is verifying your business account, which I highly recommend, by the way, which I do have a video on. This is big news. We no longer have to worry about setting this up, slowing things down whenever we're setting up our ad accounts. We're also not limited to those 8 events anymore. That was a big thing that was bugging a lot of people. I assume you can have unlimited events. I'm not sure on that one, but this is big. So appreciate you guys watching the video. If you get a chance, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell to get tips, quick updates on all things advertising, but appreciate you. Thank you.